Alright y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So this is the bag from CurlsCurls. It's so cute, and in your package you receive a pamphlet that lets you know all about your item, how to care for it, and things of that nature. So that is very informative. They also include a slip letting you know what you received. They include these bobby pins, and here is what we received today, which is their new drawstring ponytail. It's in the curl pattern Afro Kinky. It mimics 4B, 4C, and the length is 16 inches. It's 100 grams, and it's in its natural color, guys. So as you guys can see, it's really full and beautiful. I love this straight out of the packaging. I'm going to go ahead and co-wash my ponytail. It was really soft and nice out of the packaging, but I just always like to co-wash my item. So I'm just going to get it saturated with water, as you guys can see here. You want to make sure it's really saturated. And then I'm going to go in with some Suave conditioner. I love Suave conditioner. It's the best to ever use for like Afro Kinky curly hair, because it gives so much slip. And you guys will see as I'm washing it how much slip I'm actually getting. But I kind of like massage the conditioner through the hair, and then I go ahead and kind of like rake my fingers through the hair just to make sure it's a tangle, there's no tangles. And as you guys can see, my fingers are literally just gliding through the hair. So this is about how much shedding I got, which wasn't bad at all. And this is what the ponytail looks like wet. It's very pretty. It's really soft, guys, and the curl pattern is so nice. I really like it. So I'm just going to spray some leave-in conditioner onto the hair. That is it. You don't want to weigh down your hair with like any heavy creams or anything. So you definitely want to use like a leave-in conditioner that's water-based, and I just let that dry overnight. So I am starting off on stretched hair. I'll link some tutorials in the description box below how you can stretch out your hair. But as you guys can see, I'm just brushing down my baby hairs because I don't want to gel them back. But you guys will see why later. So I'm just making a middle part in the middle of my hair. You can do like whatever part that you want to do, but I just want to go for a side part. I'm just making sure my hair is detangled. I'm going to go in with some Eco Styler gel. So I will be using a generous amount, but you can use whatever kind of gel you would like. So I'm just going to smooth that into my hair with my hands, and then I'm gonna, use my brush and brush my hair going towards the back, because we are doing like a low ponytail. You guys know low ponytails are totally trending right now at the moment. Like everyone is rocking a low ponytail. So I wanted to bring y'all like an updated tutorial on how to, achieve a popping one, so y'all could be out here slaying. So I'm not putting my ponytail too far down. I am kind of putting it like a little high so that you guys can see it from the front. So I guess you can say like it's going to be like at the mid back. And so I'm just making sure I'm getting it slicked down really good, so that it will stay in place since my hair is still really short. And then I am going to put it into a ponytail, y'all. So your girl's hair is definitely growing. So I decided to do something different and add mousse on top of the gel, and I'm really liking the results, y'all. So this is another alternative if you have a problem like laying your hair down. Try some mousse on top of your gel. So I'm just like, massaging the mousse into my hair, slicking it down. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply my scarf. And I will be sleeping like this overnight. You guys know I like to set my hair overnight. But if you don't, you can just let your scarf sit on for a few hours and then proceed with doing the style. Alright, so it is now the next morning and my hair is super sleek and slick, how I want it to be, as you guys can see. Yes, so now we're going to go back in and do our edges. So I'm using the Edge Booster Edge Pomade, and I'm just going to lay down my baby hairs. I'm going to do like some little swoops. Now this step is definitely optional. You do not have to do this. And then I decided to do a little swivel on my sideburn. So I normally just comb them flat, but I was like, let me spice it up and switch it up. So that's what I did. And so here is my ponytail, all nice and air dried. As you guys can see, it's of great quality. It has 2 combs and a drawstring. So I just like to pull mine a little tight before applying it to my head because I have a small little ponytail. And then I'm just going to clip it from the front to the back and pull the drawstring. So you want to make sure you're not literally digging the combs into your scalp because you want this ponytail to be comfortable, because I literally wore it all day, y'all, and it was so comfortable. So yes, and then I'm just going to literally wrap the string around the base of the ponytail. So for extra security, I'm going to go ahead and take some open bobby pins, and I'm just going to just stick those into, you know, the base of my ponytail just to make sure it's super secure. And it was, you guys. With this ponytail, you can color it, blow it out, and things of that nature. So it does offer a lot of versatility. So let me know in the comments what other styles you would like to see with this ponytail. So I'm literally just going to grab some of the hair from the ponytail and wrap it around the base to, you know, make it look more of a more polished look or whatever. This is optional, you don't have to do it, but I always like doing this to my ponytails. It just makes them look really more realistic, and then you can't see the base. And then I'm literally just going to pin that into place. As y'all can see, it has so much body. It's so bouncy. That's why I told you guys you don't have to use a lot of product. You don't want to weigh it down. And it looks so good. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray some pink oil sheen on my hair, you know, just to have the luster match the ponytail, because gel can make your hair really dull. And this is what the ponytail looks like from all angles. It's super full, as you guys can see, and it matches my natural hair perfectly. I love it. So CurlsCurls has came out with these braided headbands, guys, and they are bomb. They're of great quality. They have adjustable straps at the back, and they are super comfortable. This one is more on the yuckier texture, and the first one was more on the silkier side. So I went with the one that was more yucky, you know, to go with my hair. So I'm literally just going to, you know, strap it back around, because I took the strap off because I just didn't want to put it over my makeup or anything. And then I'm going to put it on, excuse my face. So I'm putting it on, and I just feel like this headband added an extra touch to the style. I think it's so cute. So they do offer these now on curlscurls.com. They are made of great quality, guys. I really like it. So make sure you guys check out curlscurls.com. Everything about them will be in the description box below, and everything that I'm wearing from them will be in the description box below as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.